Auzubillahiminashaitanirajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear listeners and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine and doing well. Today the topic of our discussion is nature versus nurture. We will see the role and the impact of the nature and nurture on the child's development or on individual's development or upon the learner's development. So we will see both the terms separately and we will see the impact of both the terms on the development of the learners. Okay, back corner is nature and doorway is nurture. Back corner mean the things which are innate or inherited, means that means the qualities which are inherited in the individuals, yeah, which are the God gifted, which the individuals are getting from their family, while the doorway is nurture, means the things which we are getting from the environment, the things which we are getting from our surroundings. Okay, stand on the line where you think the influence level is between nature and nurture in determining pupils' behavior, and why did you stand and where you did. So basically in this lecture we will bring light upon these two questions and we will discuss separately about the nature and the nurture. Okay, nature versus nurture is a psychology term related to whether heredity or the environment most impacts human. Means ke in this lecture we will see ke whether heredity mean virasat, the things which we are getting biologically or from our families, or the environment. ठीक है, environment mean your surroundings, the scenario in which you are living, the institutions where you are getting education, your family socio-economic background, all these things comes in the environment. So basically we will see here ke whether the heredity or the environment which both of them leaves shows the most impact upon the learning of the humans. Mean human psychological development, in human psychological development comes their behavior, their habits, intelligence, personality, sexuality, aggressive tendencies, and so on. So basically in this lecture we will see whether the heredity most impacts the human behaviors, habits, intelligence, personality, aggressive tendency, or whether the environment is having most impact upon the behavior, habits, intelligence, personality, sexuality, or the aggressive tendency of the learners. Okay, what is nature versus nurture? Nature versus nurture is a psychological okay, in the nature versus nurture debates, nature refers to an individual's innate qualities. Innate mean the things which are having in the individuals by birth. We also call it the nativism. So nature is also known as the nativism, means कि individuals के अंदर वो तमाम खूबियाँ जो उसको by birth मिलती हैं. innate का मतलब होता है कि by birth जो qualities किसी भी individuals के अंदर होती हैं. Here is an example of the nature. Nature is your genes. The physical and personality traits determined by your genes stay the same irrespective of where you were born and raised. Means कि आपके जो the genes which you are getting from your family, from your parents, that remain the same in your physical and personality traits. So it does not happen, it doesn't matter कि where you are born and raised, यानी ये फ़र्क मैटर नहीं करता कि आप कहाँ पैदा हुए और आपकी कहाँ परवरिश हुई. तो जो चीज़ें हमें अपने पेरेंट्स से, फोर फादर से इनेटली मिलती हैं, वरासत से मिलती हैं, तो दोज आर नोन एज द नेचर. देयर आर द टू फैक्टर्स विच आर इम्पैक्टिंग अपॉन द नेचर. वन इज़ बायोलॉजिकल एंड फैमिली. ठीक है, मीन्स कि योर बायोलॉजिकल genes and your family matters a lot in the physical and in the personality traits of the individuals. Okay, now come upon the nurture. In the nature versus nurture debate, the nurture refers to personal experiences. empiricism or behaviorism. So in the nature we said that it is a nativism, or the qualities are the innate, while the nurture is the totally opposite to the nature. It means your personal experiences, means the things which we are attracting, means the environment in which we are attracting, that leaves a great impact upon the learning of the, upon the personality, upon the habits, upon the intelligence of the individuals. Empiricism, we also call it the experimental or behaviorism. Okay, here is the example of the nurture. Nurture refers to your childhood or how you were brought up. Someone could be born with genes to give them a normal height, but to be malnourished in childhood, resulting in stunted growth and a failure to develop as expected. Means यहाँ पे एक एग्जाम्पल नर्चर की दी है कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि आप इन योर डेवलपमेंट ऑफ चाइल्डहुड, मीन्स कि जब आप बचपन जो है आपका, बचपन के अंदर आप की जो हाइट है वो इफ़ वी काउंटेड थ्रू द जीन्स तो वो नॉर्मल हाइट है, लेकिन जो आपकी जो मॉल नॉरिश्ड इन चाइल्डहुड, मीन्स कि डाइट, जो आप डाइट ले रहे हैं, जो आप दूसरी चीज़ें, जो दूसरे फैक्टर्स उसको इम्पेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो वो आपकी ग्रोथ को बेहतर कर सकते हैं, और ये उससे टोटली अपोजिट हो रहा है जो हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं। मीन्स कि जो आपकी हाइट, जो आपके पेरेंट्स की हाइट है, आपकी फोरफादर्स की हाइट है, तो दैट इज़ इन योर जीन्स। लेकिन जो उसकी जो डाइट है, डाइट इज़ आल्सो अ ग्रेट फैक्टर कि जो आपको नॉरिशमेंट दी जा रही है, डाइट है, मील है, मीट है, जो एक बैलेंस डाइट है, तो वो किसी भी इंडिविजुअल्स की हाइट के अंदर एक जो है एक बेहतरीन किरदार जो है उसको निभा रही होती है, और उसकी जो पर्सनैलिटी जो होती है किसी भी इंडिविजुअल को, उसको डेवलप करने में, उसका इंटेलिजेंस जो होता है उसको डेवलप करने में नर्चर का भी उतना ही बड़ा हाथ होता है। तो दो फैक्टर्स हैं देर जो नर्चर के ऊपर, किसी भी इंडिविजुअल की डेवलपमेंट के ऊपर इफेक्ट कर रहे होते हैं, दैट इज़ द environmental and social. While in the nature we see the biological and family, while in the nurture we see the environmental and social. मीन कि जो environment आपको मिल रहा है, जो एक अच्छा इदारा आपको मिल रहा है, जो socially आपको चीज़ें मिल रही हैं, तो ये बेसिक किसी भी इंडिविजुअल्स की पर्सनल, उसकी पर्सनैलिटी ट्रेड्स, उसकी इंटेलिजेंस और उसकी हैबिट्स को डेवलप कर रही होती हैं। तो बेसिकली दिस वाज द डिस्कशन ऑफ नेचर एंड नर्चर। कि नेचर वी आर गेटिंग द थिंग्स इन नेट, वी आर गेटिंग द थिंग्स फ्राम आवर जीन्स, वी आर गेटिंग द इंटेलिजेंस हैबिट्स फ्राम आवर पेरेंट्स, फ्राम आवर फैमिली, while in the nurture we are getting the things from the environment and from the social factor. So that was the today our discussion upon the nature and nurture. Hope, dear listeners, you have understood basically the difference between the nature and nurture. And further, if you are still any query, or if you are feeling any confusion, so you may ask in the comment section, and I will try my level best to clarify it for your sake. Thank you very much, and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.